So I got the master built, ready to go. Got her set on 225. She's at 97 degrees right now. But what are we cooking today? I'm gonna cook me a brisket. I bought this last year. Been in the freezer for a little while. But I had to buy it because it was a 14-pound brisket for 48 bucks. It was on sale for $3.48 a pound. That was at Sam's last year, so no telling what they are now. But I was bleeding the bag. I'm gonna get it out, rinse it off, and bring it to the cutting board over here and get her ready. Y'all stay tuned. Well, I got the brisket washed off. I need to dry it. But I think I'm gonna do something different this time, since we have a big end here and a thin end down here. I can't get it in the camera right. There we go. I think I'm gonna cut it right across here and cook this thinner part and cook the big parts separately. Y'all probably think I'm crazy. And another thing, I never trim my fat off, because I do that after it cooks. So the fat keeps it juicy. Probably gonna need a couple more. Let it dry out from underneath it. Flip it back over, dry out from underneath it again. It got wet again. That's probably good enough. So my binder is gonna be, I'll probably think I'm crazy again, but I'm gonna use some bacon grease. Little bacon fat, homemade. What do y'all think about that bacon fat as a binder? Let me know in the comments if y'all ever use bacon fat for binders. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and chop her in two. About right here. If I had some good knives, would be nice. Come on, sponsors. Well, I sharpened this thing, but it's a little bit rough. There's a lot of fat on the bottom. That's good. So back to the bacon fat. That's gonna be good. It beats soaking this fat up. Yeah. Flip her over. I don't think fat needs too much of a binder. Little bacon chunks in it, won't hurt. Yeah. Do-do-do-do. Well, let me get cleaned up and I'll be right back. Well, I got some John Adams brisket rub I'm gonna put on there. Plus, got some no salt, all-purpose seasonings from Kingsford. So I'm gonna put that on there. Start with the brisket rub first. I know a lot of y'all don't do this, but I'm gonna rub mine down. I like to rub my meat. Don't take that the wrong way now. Look. Well, I'm not gonna put this in no pan or nothing. I'm gonna take it straight to the pit. Well, looks like the pit's ready. I had it set for 225, it's on 229. So let's take the brisket outside and put it on the pit. Well, I got her on the pit, and I'm gonna let her go for about 3 hours and check it. My wife had to go to the store and get me some wood because I didn't chop up none of that. Anyway, y'all stick around for more. Well, after I got back to my house, I realized I didn't put the meat on the pit the right way. So I needed to flip it over where the fat is on the upside. That way when it cooks, all that fat juices go down in the meat. So just remember that. Well, it's been cooking 3 hours now. I'm going to take this one and wrap it. I'm going to leave that one alone. Let it go nice and slow. So, well, I do believe it's time to take this one off the pit. Ow, why did I do that? Well, that looks yummy. But this one's internal temperature 204, so I'm going to pull it off. And I'm going to probably wrap that one. So, y'all stand by. All right. And the wind would have to pick up. I like his barbecue partner. Daughter bought me. Got her wrapped up. Gonna put the probe in her. Got it right there. When it hits around 200, 205, then we'll pull it off. So the probe's already reading, so it's coming on up already. So stay tuned again. Well, we got the second half out. It's tender. Trying to figure out how to slice it up where the end was. I don't remember. It don't look the same. Trying to get some of this fat off now. Maybe.
Hi guys. Just eating here.
Got some bark on it. Let's see, look at that.
What is this?
Hot. What are you doing? Look at her. I don't know. I just need to slice it somewhere and see where I am.
Oh man, this one's pretty tough.
My knives ain't the best in the world, but that's what it looked like. Yummy, yummy, juicy.
Pretty juicy.
Yeah, it is.
No.
Yummy. Yummy.
She's getting my burnt ends over here.
To someone that didn't used to eat meat, now look at them.
Well, that's Charlie's brisket cooking from Pafford Homestead. So this is all I got to say. It's the way I do it. So I'm not a master chef, never claimed to be. That's just the way I do it, the old-fashioned way. So y'all like, share, and subscribe, and give us a thumbs up, and leave comments, please. And we'll make you another video. I don't know what doing, camping, cooking, I don't know, chasing dogs. Bye y'all, love you.